This is a FOSSiBOT F2400 portable power station. It comes with a huge capacity, super fast charging, and waterproof craft. In this video, we will look into the exterior of F2400. Before any operation, open the fan covers on both sides. Press the main power button for 3 seconds to turn on F2400. The LCD screen will display all the information you need. Besides the screen is knob for adjusting input power. By rotating the knob, the input power can be adjusted according to the actual input voltage. On the left of F2400 round, you will find the DC power button and DC output ports. There is a car outlet and a XT60 port for recreational vehicle. Below are two 12 volts 3 ampere output ports. On the right of the unit front, you will find the USB power button and USB ports. There are 2 USB-A ports, 3 USB-C ports, and 1 USB-C fast charging port. In the middle of the front is LED light button for night lighting. Press it again, it enters SOS mode. Press for the 3rd time, it flashes super fast for SOS. For turning off, short press the button. On the left side of the machine, open the cover, you will find the input power charging ports. AC charging port, where your household socket can full charge the machine within 2 hours. Enters an input port for solar panels with 50 watts maximum voltage. Above the charging ports, there is an overload protection button between the air outlets. When there is a large power input at the AC terminal, this button will activate and cut off the AC input power. On the right side of the machine, open the cover. There are 6 AC output ports for home appliance, where you can power your refrigerator, microwave, electric drill, outdoor air conditioner, electric grill, etc. On the top of the unit, FOSSiBOT specially designed a space for your accessories, convenient and no worry of accessory missing. That's the exterior of FOSSiBOT F2400 in a nutshell. Need more tutorials? Head to FOSSiBOT official website or FOSSiBOT YouTube channel.